Hello everyone and welcome to Programming Ninja. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the C# programming language. We are going to discover what is C#, its history in the C programming language family, what different types of applications can we make using this programming language, and what is the difference between C# and .NET Framework. Alright, let's start. Now, many of the beginners ask what is C#. C# is an object-oriented programming language provided by Microsoft that runs on .NET Framework. Is C# different from C, C++, or even Java? The answer is the C# programming language is actually influenced by those three programming languages mentioned earlier. In fact, it is influenced by several programming languages such as Eiffel, Modula 3, Pascal, C++, C, Java and etc. With the help of C# programming language, we can develop different types of secured and robust applications such as window applications, web applications, distributed applications, web service applications, database applications, and many more. You would be wondering, what is .NET Framework? Is C# different from .NET Framework? First, C# is a programming language. .NET, however, is a framework for building applications on the Windows. .NET Framework consists of two components, the CLR, or Common Language Runtime, and the class library for building applications. But before we proceed to understanding what CLR is, let's explore a little bit of C#'s history in the C programming language family. The C and C++ languages with either of these languages compiles our code into a native code for the machine that we are using, which means that if we were to compile an application with a machine running with Microsoft Windows, and then we take that compiled application to a different operating system, that would not run. So in order for that problem to be resolved, Microsoft borrowed an idea from the Java community. In Java, the compiled code is not translated directly into the machine code, it is translated first into an intermediate language called bytecode, and that exact concept was applied to C#. When compiling in C#, the result of it is called the IL, or the intermediate language, and that IL is independent of the computer where it is running, and in order for the IL to be translated into the native code for the machine that is running the application, the CLR steps in to do its job. So basically, CLR is an essential application that is sitting in the memory whose job is to translate the IL code into the machine code, and this process is called just-in-time compilation, or JIT. So with these architecture, you can write an application in C# without worrying about compiling it into different machines as long as a machine has CLR that can run the application. Alright, that's it for today's topic. I hope you guys enjoyed the topic, and I hope you all now have some knowledge about C#. Credits to Programming with Mosh, such detailed explanations of the basics of C#. If you want a very detailed tutorial of C#, visit his channel. I will put the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next episode. Peace out.